Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the first part of the video where I pretty much just took everyone through a real quick packaging rundown. So y'all got to see everything included in the packaging, as well as a real quick feature rundown of these earbuds. And now in this portion of the video, we're going to get into my first impressions of this relatively full-featured, inexpensive pair of open-ear Bluetooth earbuds. Now, the name of these earbuds, I can't pronounce it to save my life, so I'll have it put up in the video, and I'll have it down below in the video title and video description. But I'm just going to call these one of the best, as far as I've experienced so far, inexpensive open-ear Bluetooth earbuds. So without further ado, let's get into my first impressions. Now, I've already charged up the earbuds. I've already charged up the case. All right. And then I packaged everything back up just so y'all can see that unboxing experience. Then I pushed record on this portion of the video. Okay. So with that being said, let me try them on. Let me give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and the feel. And then we'll wrap this video up. Now, first things first, talking about the packaging and presentation, this company did a great job. Okay, I really do like the packaging and presentation. It's very minimalistic, yet feature-packed and straightforward. I do like the color combination of the packaging. I do like everything that was included. Okay, really good stuff. All right. That being said, I am a little bit disappointed because looking at the included material and comparing it to the online material, there is a discrepancy in some of the battery life and charging metrics. So I did have to go through a lot of different information before I put this video together. So I kind of wish the information was more concise and less confusing, because honestly, both things should match. So the online material should match the in-person material or the user manual material, and there shouldn't be such a big discrepancy. Okay, so there was that. That was a first negative, going through all the packaging, presentation, and information. Got to work on that. Got to be uniform across the board. All right. Other than that, these seem to be really good. Like I said, I like the packaging. I like the overall presentation. I even like the look of these earbuds, if I'm being honest. Now, another negative already is that I wish the entirety of the earbud was made out of this matte material here that the adjustable ear stem is made out of, as opposed to this glossy material, super reflective material that the front of the earbud is made out of and the front of the charging case is made out of. All right? Because if I turn this in the right orientation, you can see my face. Right? It's basically very reflective. It's almost like a mirror. So I do wish it was more matte material, but overall, I do like the overall look and the presentation of these earbuds. Okay? And I was very happy to see the integrated built-in percentage readout display, as y'all saw earlier in the video. I like that. We do have really nice indicators for the charging case. Let me show you real quickly. Okay? As well as really nice indicators for the earbuds. I like that a lot. So you can see when the earbuds are charging, you get a really nice indicator as to which earbud is charging. And then when it's fully charged, it turns itself off. And same thing for the charging case. So if I take this out and we just want to charge up the charging case itself, when I plug it in, and this is really nice, this takes away all the guesswork in my opinion. When I plug it in like so, and we spin it around, now you can see we just get a percentage indicator for the charging case. And when the charging case is fully at 100%, that stays solid. Now, as I said, when the earbuds are fully charged, then it will go ahead and override the earbuds in the case and charge the charging case. So it's always going to provide power to charging the earbuds first before it charges the charging case. Okay, I really, really like that. And this, to me, this alleviates all guesswork. That's why this is one of my favorite features in earbuds when they include it. Because now the battery anxiety, the charging anxiety is gone, because I can look at the case and I know what's going on. So I really, really like that out of the box. And that is one of my all-time favorite features when manufacturers include that. So that kind of makes me predisposed to like these earbuds from the jump. Now, let's get into trying them on. Let me give you my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Now, you do have really nice indicators as to which ears they go on. So this is the right earbud right here. Okay, and it just slides on your ears. And then you angle this small portion right next to your inner ear canal, and you're good. All right, and then this houses the battery, and right here has your touch controls along with your microphone. So that's really good, and it really slots into place very comfortably. And then I can angle it just the way I want, and it stays. So the right one is on. Let's now put the left one on. You can see that nice left earbud indicator right there. Okay, along with your speaker, and I already showed y'all the microphone in the front. So let's put this left one on. And again, it just slots over my ear, and it slots right into place. So putting it on and getting a nice comfortable position is really, really nice. And that literally took no muss, no fuss. Okay? And now they're on, and it's super comfortable, and I can still hear my surroundings very, very easily. That's one of the benefits of having open ear Bluetooth style earbuds. You can enjoy what you're listening to and do what you need to do and still maintain some privacy while also being able to be aware of your surroundings. Okay? That's why I really, really like this style of earbud. Now, let's do a quick shake test. Okay, so they're definitely not moving around. It stays nice and comfortable on my head, right in front of my ears. I really, really like this. I don't want to shake too much because I don't want to give myself a headache. But really, really good overall fit. Really, really good overall feel in terms of my first impressions. Now, let me take some pictures of the profiles for everyone. Which device am I going to use today? iPhone 11 or Pixel 6a? Let's use the Pixel. Give me 1 second. Let me take these shots. Okay. So let's take a nice front profile. Bam. Let's take another side profile. Bam. Do the other side. Bam. Okay, let me show y'all these. Okay, so check this out. So here is the front. And that actually looks really, really good. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you can tell that I do have earbuds in, but it's super duper comfortable. Really, really nice, as y'all can see right there. Okay. Go over to the side profile. This is one side. Zoom in a little bit for y'all so y'all can see that's what it looks like. Okay. And you can see it's not quite in my ear, but it's resting in front of my ears, so I can still fully hear my surroundings. Really, really nice. Okay, so that's one side, and here is the other side. Again, let me get y'all a close-up. Y'all can see it right there. Yeah, I banged my face with the bar in the gym, so now I got a permanent scar right there. But again, really nice fit, super duper comfortable, and my ears are still open to hear my surroundings. I really, really like that. Really like that a lot. Anyway, so first impressions of the overall fit and the feel of these earbuds, I would have to say is really, really good. Let me take them off real quickly. Boom. Slide off my ears super duper easily. Really, really nice. And yeah, I think I'm really going to enjoy these. Now, y'all stay tuned for the full review and all of my extended coverage because, as I said in the beginning portion of the video, this was another product that came in to the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So I just have to use these for a little bit and write up and submit a full written review to be published on Amazon, and then I can get into my full video coverage. And if I'm being 100% honest with everyone, you guys and gals are probably going to see only a few more Amazon Vine products because I'm kind of getting a little tired of the Amazon written reviews. So I'm going to take a break from the Amazon Vine program. I'm not going to leave the program, but I am going to take a break and focus more on the YouTube side. Okay? So I think I have coming in one more Amazon Vine program item coming in, and then I'll just have the stuff that are in my Amazon cart to review. And then when we go through everything in the Amazon cart, then I'm going to open up the video coverage to viewer requests. So I'll make a video every week when the coverage is done. I'll make a video asking you guys and gals, what would you like to see me cover? I'll probably put in some pricing criteria. So I'll probably say it needs to be ranging in price from this price to this price. And that has to include the taxes. And then I'll open it up to your guys and gals what you want me to cover. So y'all be on the lookout for that. As we start covering the rest of the stuff in my Amazon cart, that's something that I've really been wanting to do for a while. Open up the coverage to viewer requests. So you guys and gals stay tuned because that viewer request style video is coming soon. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. And also, today's video is being recorded with the primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights here today to light up the scene. So please, as always, let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the overall lighting down below in the comments. Also, as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the affiliated buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick up any product featured in today's video will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes those affiliate links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone. All right? That being said, as I said before, I hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.